Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace a valve cover gasket. First, gather your essential tools, including a socket set, a torque wrench, and of course, your new valve cover gasket. It's crucial to ensure your engine is completely cool before you start. For safety, always disconnect the negative battery terminal before proceeding with any automotive repairs. Now, let's get to removing the old gasket. Begin by carefully detaching any engine components that might be obstructing your access to the valve cover. Next, loosen and remove the valve cover bolts, following a specific pattern to prevent warping. With the bolts out, gently pry off the old valve cover and gasket, being mindful not to damage any surfaces. With the old gasket removed, it's time for the new one. First, thoroughly clean both the valve cover and the cylinder head mating surfaces to ensure a proper seal. Apply a thin, even bead of RTV sealant in the specified corners, typically around the camshaft humps. Then, carefully position the new gasket onto the valve cover, ensuring it sits perfectly in its groove. For the final steps, carefully reinstall the valve cover, tightening the bolts to a precise 2 foot-pounds in the correct sequence. Reconnect all the components you removed earlier, including any hoses or wiring, and finally, reattach the negative battery terminal. Double-check all connections and ensure everything is secure before starting the engine. Also, for some great deals and to learn more about bringing your space to life with a smart speaker, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.